Hello students, Vidyasa classes welcome all of you to the online digital class. It is a continuation class as I am continuing the topic at the high school. I have already discussed about the topic, about the author and about Fara 1 and about Fara 2. So those who are new to this channel, please subscribe it and watch my part 1 and part 2 videos which helps you to understand the topic systematically. Okay. And today I am going to teach about Fara 3 and Fara 4. So let's begin our class. Dear students, open your English book and look at Fara 3. The reason for my dislike was my keen desire to serve as nurse to my father. As soon as the school closed, I would hurry home and begin serving him. Here, M.K. Gandhi gave the reason for his disliking towards gymnastics and cricket was his keen interest to serve his father. Actually, Gandhiji wanted to give service to his father. So, as soon as the school closed, he would hurry home and begin serving his father. Okay. Compulsory exercise came directly in the way of his service. I requested Mr. Jimmy to exempt me from gymnastics so that I might be free to serve my father. But he would not listen to me. Here, M.K. Gandhi had keen interest for giving service to his father, but he had no sufficient time for that, and also the compulsory exercise class became a great obstacle or hurdle in his way. So he wanted to exempt from the compulsory exercise class. So he went to the headmaster, Mr. Jimmy, the strict and principal headmaster, and requested him, "Please, sir, make me free from the gymnastic class so that I could serve my father." But Mr. Jimmy rejected by saying that, "No, you have to do the exercises, so you attend the class in time. There is no any excuse." Now it happened that one Saturday, when we had school in the morning, I had to come from home to school for gymnastics at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I had no watch and the cloud deceived me. Before I reached the school, the boys had all left. Here, M.K. Gandhi narrated an incident how he had missed the gymnastic class unknowingly. One Saturday, the school was morning school and the gymnastic class was at 4 p.m. Gandhiji wanted to attend the class. That day was a cloudy day. The clouds covered the sky and Gandhiji did not have watch. So he could not know the time as he was busy in serving his father. So he was late. When he arrived at the school, all the children and teachers were left. He became unhappy and returned to home, which was very painful for him. The next day, Mr. Jimmy, examining the roll, found me marked absent. Being asked for the reason of absence, I told him what had happened. He refused to believe me and ordered me to pay a fine of 1 or 2 annas. In the next day of the gymnastics class, Mr. Jimmy came to know that M.K. Gandhi was absent in gymnastics class. Then he asked him the cause for his absence. M.K. Gandhi narrated the actual cause, that how he could not able to know the time due to cloudy sky and also he had no watch. But Mr. Jimmy did not listen him and refused to believe him and ordered him to pay 1 or 2 annas as fine. Summary of Para 3 in Odia. Para 3 रे महात्मा गांधी तांकर कंपलसरी क्लास बा जिम्नास्टिक्स क्लास को नापसंद करिवार कारण दर्शाइछन्ति। विद्यालय पढ़िबा पाखरु ही तांकर प्रबल इच्छा थिला पितांकर सेवा करिबा। सेथिपई से विद्यालय बंद हेबा क्षणी तरबर हे घर को फेरुथिले और तांकर सेवा कार्य आरंभ करुथिले। एही सेवा क्षेत्र रे तांकर बाध्यतामूलक व्यायाम प्रत्यक्ष भाव में प्रतिबंधक साजिथिबारु सेथिप्रति से उदासीन मनोभाव देखाउथिले। तेणु सेथिरु छाड़ करने से तांकर प्रधान शिक्षक श्रीजुक्त जिमी को अनुरोध करथिले, मात्र से तांकर कौनसी कथा को शुणी नथिले। गोटिए शनिवार दिन 4टा बेले खेलकूद पई स्कूल को जिबार थिला। से दिन मेघुआ पाग थिबारु और तांको पाखरे घड़ी नथिबारु से विद्यालय को डेरी रे पहुंचीथिले। विद्यालय रे पहुंचीबा पूर्वरु सबु पिला और शिक्षक सेठारु चली जाइथिले। तेणु से कहारी को न पाई मन दुख कर घर को पड़े। से दिन से घटना तांको अत्यंत जंत्रणा देइथिला। ता परदिन श्रीजुक्त जिमी उपस्थान निरीक्षण कर देखिथिले जे से दिन अनुपस्थित थिले। महात्मा गांधी को से अनुपस्थितिर कारण पचारिथिले। उत्तर रे गांधी समस्त सत्य घटना तांको सम्मुखरे वर्णना करथिले, मात्र श्रीजुक्त जिमी तांकर कोनोसी कथा को सुनी नथिले एवं तांकर कथा को विश्वास करि नथिले और विरक्त होई तांको जरिमाना रूपे गोटिए किंबा 2 अणा देबाको कहिथिले। Dear students, as we know that para 1 is described about Mahatma Gandhi's studies, para 2 is about his recollection and punishment, and para 3 is about his likes, dislikes and causes of attending the game class. Okay, so what was his like? His like was that his keen desire to serve his father. Okay, so for that, after the school closed, he immediately came home, or he would hurry home and started serving his father. Okay, and what was his dislike? That he don't want to attend the gymnastics class or the game class, or you can say the compulsory exercise class, which are made compulsory in their school by his headmaster, Mr. Jimmy. Okay, why he did not attend the gymnastics class? Because the compulsory class came directly in the way of his serving. Okay, the compulsory class became a great obstacle in his way, so that he could not have sufficient time to serve his father. So he didn't want to attend the gymnastics class or the compulsory class. Okay. Then the causes of attending the game class. What are the causes so that he failed to attend the gymnastics class? The causes are, first one is he had no watch, and also second was the cloud deceived him, as that day was a cloudy day, so he could not know the time, so he reached the school in late, and for that he marked absent in that class and fined of 1 or 2 annas by the headmaster, Mr. Jimmy. So he became very unhappy, he became very sad, became unhappy, became very upset for that case, okay, or for that incident, and cried loudly. Dear students, we learned from para 3 that parents are the living gods in our life. Always remember that without their love and affection, without their care and help, we may not be here in the lap of the Mother Earth. Okay, so always respect your parents. You should be humble, you should be polite, and you should support and help your parents. Never hesitate them, and never neglect them, and never send them to the old age homes. Okay, here I want to say one thing, that never forget your parents. They are the reason why you are and who you are. Okay, always remember it. So here Mahatma Gandhi wants to convey a message to all the students of the world, that you should be humble, be polite, and be respectful towards your parents. Dear students, now look at para 4. I was convicted of lying. That deeply pained me. How was I to prove my innocence? There was no way. I cried in deep anguish. I saw that a man of truth must also be a man of care. This was the first time and the last instance of my carelessness in school. It means Gandhiji was punished by his headmaster, which gave him great pain in his life. He had no way to prove his innocence, so he cried in deep anguish, means in severe mental suffering, as he was believing in truth and always liked to walk in the right path. That incident made him unhappy. Here he learned one thing, that a man of truth must also be a man of care. That was the first time and the last of his life, or of his carelessness in school, and after that he never made any mistake in his life. I had faint recollection that I finally succeeded in getting the fine remitted. The exemption from exercise was of course obtained, as my father wrote himself to the headmaster, saying that he wanted me at home after school. Here Gandhiji could not exactly remember about the incident, how he had exempted from the fine and also from the compulsory classes. But he hardly remembered that it was due to his father's letter to the headmaster. He thought that it was the reward for him, as he would get sufficient time to serve his father, which was his keen interest. सामारियो पारा 4 इन ओडिया। पारा 4 रे महात्मा गांधी तांकर समस्त सत्य घटना वर्णना करी मध्य से दिन दोषी साब्यस्त होइथिले। तेणु से घटना तांकु गभीर आघात देइथिला, गभीर जंत्रणा देइथिला। से तांकर निरीहता को प्रमाण करिबा पई कोनोसी उपाय मध्य तांको पाखरे नथिला। तेणु से गभीर जंत्रणा रे कांदिथिले एवं कहिथिले जे जणे सत्यवादी मनीष मध्य यत्नशील मनीष हेबा दरकार। विद्यालय रे पढ़िबा समय रे एही असावधानता थिला तांको जीवनर प्रथम और शेष असावधानता। एहा परे से तांको जीवन रे केबे भी असावधानता भावरे कोनोसी कार्य करि नाहंती। महात्मा गांधींकर अस्पष्ट मन पड़ुथिला जे शेषरे से किपरि जरिमाना देबारु ओ व्यायाम श्रेणीरु छाड़ पाइबारे सफल होइथिले। तांको पितांकर श्रीजुक्त जिमींकु लिखिथिबा चिठी ही तांको सफलता प्रदान करथिला, जेउथिरे तांको पिता घरे महात्मा गांधींकर आवश्यकता कथा वर्णना करथिले। Dear students, para 4 is described about his reward or success. Due to Mahatma Gandhi's father's letter to the headmaster Mr. Jimmy, at last or finally he was succeeded in getting the fine remitted, and also he was succeeded or he was exempted from the compulsory game class. And he thought that it was a great reward for him, so that he would get sufficient time to serve his father. Dear students, we learn from para 4 that a man of truth must also be a man of care. It means a man must be truthful in his life, or he must work in a right path, and also he must be care about each and every work he is going to do in his life. Don't be careless. If someone became careless, then he always remain at the back and never get success in his life. Here, M.K. Gandhi wants to convey a message to all the students that be careful in doing each and every work in your life. Okay, don't be careless, so that you can get success in your life. So my dear students, I hope you must understand about para 3 and para 4 and about the important points that are in para 3 and para 4 and the messages we are getting from para 3 and para 4. Okay, in my next class I will teach you about the rest part of the topic. Okay, that's all. Thank you.